No matter how long it takes, keep going. No matter how much it hurts, keep pushing forward. You were placed on this earth for a reason. You weren't meant to be average. You were meant to excel. You've got to understand, this grind is here to shape you into the person you were destined to be. A little grind. It ain't never hurt nobody. Stop avoiding the struggle and embrace it. If you go through the fire, you'll come out pure gold. And that's exactly what we're aiming for. Think about it. Fast forward to when you're 80. You're looking back on your life. What do you see? Do you see regrets piling up, haunting you because you played it safe? Or do you see someone who took chances, fought for their dreams, and lived boldly? I knew personally that when I reached 80, I wouldn't regret trying and failing, but not trying. That's the kind of regret lingers forever. You see, life isn't about minimizing failures. It's about minimizing regrets. You don't want to look back and wonder, what if I had just gone for it? When you're young, particularly in your 20s, you've got the most incredible window to take risks. Yet so many people do the opposite. They play it safe. They choose the path that pleases their parents or society. But here's the truth. Those years, when you have the least to lose and the most to gain, are the years you need to go all in. Some people see what they want. Others only see the obstacles standing in their way. Which one are you? This next 5-year window, whether it's 3 years for you or maybe 8, it's your time to take your shot. Not the job your mom wanted for you, not the safe option, but the life you want. This is the moment to attack your dreams. And remember this, never let anyone tell you that you can't do something. Not even me. If you've got a dream, you've got to protect it. People who can't achieve their own dreams will try to convince you to give up on yours. Don't listen. You want something, go get it. Period. Here's the thing, pain can be your greatest motivator. Sure, people talk about passion, but pain lights a fire inside you like nothing else. Pain reminds you what's at stake. Use it. Channel it. Spending years chasing the life you truly want is infinitely better than settling for a life that leaves you unfulfilled. Playing it safe feels fine in the moment, but when you reach the end of your life, that wasted potential, that will haunt you, And once it's gone, you can't get it back. At some point, you have to decide what you truly want and commit to being the best in the world at it. Not just good, not great, the best. If you're not ready to bring that level of dedication, then you'll never reach your full potential. So, this message is for those of you who dare to dream big, who want to achieve the extraordinary. Too many of us think small, boxed in by the limits of what we've seen or experienced. But the secret, you've got to break free from those mental shackles. Dream bigger. Visualize that dream. But here's the catch. Don't let that dream become your master. Balance ambition with focus, and you'll become exactly what you're meant to be. Greatness isn't born in comfort zones. It's forged in the fire of bold decisions and relentless effort. Now, go out there and claim it.